Hello kids, let's learn toys names. Teddy bear. I hug my teddy bear. Toy car. The toy car moves fast. Toy truck. The toy truck carries toys. Puppet. I press the puppet. Puzzle. I solve the puzzle. Toy bus. The toy bus has many seats. Toy train. The toy train runs on tracks. Building blocks. I build a tower with blocks. Toy aeroplane. The toy aeroplane fly high. Toy helicopter. The toy helicopter has spinning blades. Toy boat. The toy boat floats on water. Rubik's cube. The Rubik's cube has many colors. Toy motorcycle. The toy motorcycle has two wheels. Doll. The doll has pretty clothes. Action figure. The action figure is strong. Toy robot. The toy robot can walk. Dinosaur toy. The dinosaur toy has big teeth. Toy horse. The toy horse runs fast. Yo-yo. The yo-yo goes up and down. Ball. I throw the ball. Spinning top. The spinning top spins very fast. Bowling set. I knocks down the pins. Skipping rope. I jump with the rope. Hula hoop. I spin the hula hoop. Frisbee. I throw the frisbee. Bubble band. The bubble band makes big bubbles. Slime. The slime feels soft. Dominoes. We match the dominoes. Stacking rings. I stack the rings. Toy bow and arrow. The toy bow shoots soft arrows. Toy kitchen set. I cook with the toy kitchen set. Doctor kit. I check my teddy with the doctor kit. Toy camera. I take good photos. Toy telephone. I talk on the toy telephone. Chess. We play chess together. Ludo. We play Ludo with friends. Card. We play card games together. Carrom. We play Carrom with coins. Modeling clay. I make shapes with clay. Finger puppets. I play with finger puppets. Remote control car. The remote car moves quickly. Monster truck toy. The monster truck has big wheels. Toy tractor. The toy tractor works on farm. Tic-tac-toe board. We play tic-tac-toe together. Toy drum. I beat the toy drum. Toy piano. The toy piano has many keys. Magic wand. The magic wand looks shiny. Magnetic tiles. I built a house with magnetic tiles. Stress ball. I squeeze the stress ball. Water beads. The water beads are colorful. Rainbow strikers. The rainbow strikers has colorful rings. You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.